You can ask ChatGPT to write code by providing with a clear description of that you want to code to do, and as well as any specific programming languages or platform requirements you have. Alternatively, you can also provide ChatGPT with a specific coding challenges or problem that you want to solve, and ChatGPT will do best to provide you with a working solution. And for example, if I ask ChatGPT, can you write a Java program that reads in a text file and count the number of occurrences of each word in the file, and hit enter. And here you can see how beautifully ChatGPT will write us a Java program. And you can also ask ChatGPT, can you write a Python script that generates a random password consisting of lowercase letters, uppercase letters, and digits, and press enter. And here you can see how beautifully ChatGPT write us a Python code, and here is the brief explanation of how script works. And if you want to ask ChatGPT, can you write a C++ coding that implements a binary search algorithm for finding a number in a sorted array. And here you can see the possible C++ programming that implements a binary search algorithm of finding a number in a sorted array. ChatGPT write us coding about C++ programming. In this way, you can also create mobile apps and other applications. And if this video really helps you, like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. And never forget to ask me anything in the comment section, and also tell me if this video helps for you. Thanks for watching.